So hey everyone, this is Diksha and welcome back once again on this channel. And in this video we'll be starting a new series, and probably this is going to be the very first video of this series of OS series. And in this video we'll be learning the introduction of operating system. We'll be discussing what is the basic definition of OS and what is the actual purpose of OS. And this is going to be the very first episode, so do not skip this video and watch till the end. And I'm going to complete this series as fast as possible, and I'm going to keep every single video as short as possible and as informative as possible. So now, without any delay, let's get into our today's topic. You can actually find it on the screen itself, which is Introduction to Operating System. So operating system can also be called as OS in short form, and this is the basic random image of OS. And let's talk about what is operating system. So guys, we'll be talking about what is operating system in a very easy manner. I'll explain you in very simple English terms. So firstly, let's proceed with learning while reading what is operating system. So an operating system, OS, is a set of programs that manage computer hardware resources and provide common services for application software. So what does this OS exactly mean? So basically there is a program, a set of program A, there is set of program B, there is set of program C, D, E, F, N number of programs. So all these programs combine together, all these programs come together, merge together and manage the computer hardware resources. So what are the computer hardware resources? It can be like the PC, the monitor, the CPU. All these components are the hardware components of the computer system. Now let's understand. Me as user, me as a human being understands the high level language, but whereas the computer screen or the CPU or the hardware components of computer cannot understand high level language. The computer understands the machine level language. So I understand high level language as a user and computer understand the machine level language. So there should be something in between both of us, so that whatever I'm giving converts into machine language, and this component gives to computer and understand my language as well. So then comes operating system in between me as a user and for the computer. I am giving the high level language to an operating system, and it consists of set of programs. It consists of many programs. It manages and transcribes your language into machine language and then provides it to the CPU component, which is hardware component of computer. So basically you can understand here the operating system is most important type of system software in a computer system. So basically in between me as a user and computer, this operating system, which is OS, acts as the interface between user and a computer hardware. That's it here. You can find it manages the computer hardware resources and provide common services for application software. If you're building any software, especially for application software, then this OS is very much important. So the operating system is the most important type of system software in a computer system. So if there is no operating system, then you cannot control the whole computer system, because it cannot understand the high level language, it cannot understand your own specific language. So a user cannot run an application program on the computer without an operating system. So we need operating system for sure to build any application software out of your monitor or out of your own program you write. Unless the application program is a self-booting, unless your application is a self-booting which runs on offline, which can build by itself. So if this is a self-booting, then your application software does not require the particular OS, but whereas in the most number of cases, using OS is must, and this can be the basic definition of OS. So you can tell an OS is the interface which acts between a user and a computer's hardware component. That's it guys, it's very simple. The primary purpose of OS is to enable the user to interact with the computer. I'll highlight this one. The primary purpose of an OS is to enable the user to interact with the computer and manage the execution of applications. If you're building an application, it's very much important to execute that application. To understand the execution and understand to building this application, OS is much necessary. So this can be the basic definition and purpose of this OS, which is operating system. And that's it for this video. And in the episode 2 or in the next video, we'll also learn about the different batch operators. We'll also learn about multi-programs, what is time shared, and other components and other topics of this OS. So this can be the end of this video. I think you have understood the basic definition and purpose of OS. If you have understood, then just leave OS in the comment box. Just hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned till the next video. Hope you all have a good day, and just keep loving and keep exploring. Bye bye.